Hello everyone, welcome to Money Magic. Let's get started with short stock shots. Let's start with market level. The market opened with a gap up and were upbeaten from the start. However, after the pro-growth budget speech by the finance minister, the Nifty rocket passed 14,000 and never looked back. Among the Nifty 50 stocks, 45 traded in green. Among the sectoral indices, the Nifty Bank and Nifty PSU were the shot up by 8.2% and 7.8% respectively. The Nifty Pharma was the only index to close in the red, down by 0.5%. Today 1,357 stocks were advanced and 567 were declined. Today domestic institutional investor net sell was 90 crores and foreign institutional investor net buy was 1,494 crores. Currently, Sensex PE is trading at 33 and today 62% of the stocks were advanced in BSE. Currently, market mood is in extreme fear. This can be a great opportunity to increase your stakes in the current holdings. In the budget, the government has announced a reduction in the custom duties on gold and silver from 12.5% to 7.5%. However, a 2.5% agriculture and infrastructure development sees AIDC will be lifted. Today, gold was down by 1.4% to 48,400 per 10 gram and silver was up by 5.5% to 73,578 per kg. Now moving on to grey market price, Stockcraft GMP is trading between 35 to 40, Indico Paint GMP is trading between 790 to 800 and Home First Finance GMP is trading between 80 to 90. Tomorrow is the listening date of Indico Paint. If the market is in bullish mode, the Indico Paint grey market premium can be increased a bit more. Now moving on to our updates, cinema hall across the country will be permitted to operate full capacity from 1st February with all COVID-19 safety protocols. Cinema hall stocks PVR and Inox was up today. It was an exciting day for auto stocks that got a double boost, the introduction of the scrapping policy in the budget and upbeat January sale volumes. Industry leader Maruti up by 3.1%, record a 4.3% year-on-year rise in sales, mainly driven by 45% growth in UVs. Mahindra & Mahindra up by 6.1%, saw a solid 50% year-on-year increase in its farm equipment sales. However, it saw a slower 4% year-on-year rise in its passenger vehicle sales. Commercial vehicles also saw an uptick with Ashok Leyland up by 9.8%, reporting an 11% jump in sales. Now moving on to our next update, the announcement of setting up a bed bank come as an welcome surprise in 2021 budget. The entity will absorb NPAs of banks and sell them to the investor for realizations of value. The RBI accepts NPA to rise to 13.5% by H1 financial year 2022 versus 7.5% during the same period last fiscal. The move came as a welcome relief for the banking industry. Today, top gainers in Nifty Bank Index was IndusInd Bank up by 15.1%, ICICI Bank up by 13.3%, and SBI was also up by 10.9%. Happiest Mind has signed definitive agreement to acquire US-based Pimcore Global Service for $8.25 million, which is about 60 crores. Houston-based Pimcore Global Service is a digital e-commerce and data management solution company. Now moving on our next update, SJVN Limited has backed a 697 megawatt hydroelectric project in Nepal. SJVN is a state-owned hydroelectric power generation company. Today, the budget has three key components. It was pro-growth with a focus on capital spending. It did not tinker with tax rates. And finally, it envisaged a progressive reduction physical defect. As most apprehensions were put to rest, investor gave it a thumbs up and pull off what was the best budget day rally in the last 24 years. Today, the overall bullishness in the global market took off well for the investor sentiments. The manufacturing PMI numbers that were released today was also showed an improvement. So far, most quarter 3 results has been satisfying or better than street expectation and the budget was well received by the market. The next event to watch out for is the interest rate decided by the RBI, which is expected on Friday. After the volatility since in the last 2 weeks, One could accept the market to take a breath as suggested by 8% dip in the India VIX. Thank you for today's video and stay tuned with us.